Ever felt like you're on the outside looking in when people talk about Bitcoin? Intrigued by the potential but unsure where to even begin? You're not alone. The world of cryptocurrency can seem daunting, filled with complex jargon and confusing platforms. But what if I told you getting your hands on Bitcoin could be simpler than ordering your morning coffee? Today, we're diving into one of the user-friendly platforms that's making waves in the crypto space, Uphold. Think of Uphold as your all-in-one financial app, allowing you to trade not just cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but also traditional currencies, precious metals, and even fractional stocks. It's designed with accessibility in mind, making it a fantastic option for both crypto newbies and seasoned traders. So, you're ready to take the plunge and buy some Bitcoin on Uphold? Great! Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need an Uphold account. If you haven't already, head over to their website or download their mobile app. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll be asked for your basic information, like your name, email address, and country of residence. Uphold, like any regulated financial platform, will also require you to verify your identity through a process called KYC, Know Your Customer. This usually involves submitting a government-issued ID and sometimes a proof of address. This might seem like an extra step, but it's crucial for security and compliance, ensuring a safer trading environment for everyone. Once your account is set up and verified, it's time to fund it. Uphold offers several convenient ways to deposit funds. You can link your bank account, use a debit or credit card, or even deposit other cryptocurrencies if you already have some. Keep in mind that different funding methods might have different processing times and potential fees, so it's always a good idea to check the details within the Uphold platform before making a deposit. With funds now in your Uphold account, you're just a few clicks away from owning Bitcoin. Navigate to the Transact or Trade section of the app or website. You'll likely see a list of available assets. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Bitcoin, usually represented by its ticker symbol, BTC. Once you've selected Bitcoin, you'll be presented with a trading interface. Here, you'll typically see the current price of Bitcoin and options to buy or sell. To buy, simply select the buy option. You'll then need to specify how much Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can either enter a specific amount of your chosen currency, like Naira, or indicate a specific amount of Bitcoin you wish to acquire. Uphold will then show you the equivalent amount based on the current market price. Before you finalize your purchase, double-check all the details. Make sure you're buying Bitcoin, BTC, that the amount is correct, and that you're comfortable with the displayed price and any associated fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you've just bought Bitcoin on Uphold. You'll typically see your newly purchased Bitcoin reflected in your Uphold wallet almost instantly. From there, you can choose to hold it as a potential investment, exchange it for other cryptocurrencies or assets available on Uphold, or even explore their other features. Uphold's intuitive design and wide range of supported assets make it a compelling platform for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of Bitcoin and beyond. It simplifies the process, making cryptocurrency more accessible to a wider audience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.